everyone. Hope you guys are all doing fine and staying out of trouble. I'm Jill, but you may know me as this old gal. So I love following a keto eating plan. The food is great, I feel full, I lose weight, my sugar is just right. The only thing I have trouble with are snacks. You know, I've bought different keto snacks before, and sometimes I've got to buy a big box and it turns out I don't like it. So this is one of the reasons I really love KetoKrate. Have you heard of KetoKrate? What it is a subscription service. It's $39.99 a month, and every month you will get a KetoKrate in the mail. Now what this company does is it finds really terrific keto snacks from all over the world. So this way you have all kinds of snacks and you can decide if you like something or not. Plus, you're also going to get about $20 worth of coupons. There's also an area on their website for members only with special pricing. So I'm going to post my link so that you can get a $10 off your first box. You can also use the code TOGOFF. That's TOGOFF. Now all of the products are 5 net carbs or less. Mostly they're less. They also do not contain gluten, and they do not contain Maltitol, which is great. So you don't have to worry about anything. It's totally safe, totally keto friendly and approved. It's wonderful. So you ready? So this comes to me every month. You can see I haven't even opened the box yet. So let me get a knife to open it. I want you to see me open it so you can see my reaction as I get things. Also, if you're wondering, you know, if you're out of town and you need to skip a month, it's no problem. You just skip a month and you'll get it the next month. All right, here we go. Let me open this up. Okay, let me open it up this way. Even the inside of the box is great. My last month KetoKrate was awesome. I'm so glad to have partnered up with this company. It's really a nice company. All right, so here's your November 2020 newsletter. You'll find recipes, and as I said, you'll have lots of saving things in here. So you can, it opens up. And then this side as well. Oh, there's a keto stuffing. Well, that's nice in time for Thanksgiving. All right, let's see what's in the box. You know what? I'm gonna dump it out. Oh, all right, the last thing in the box is the first thing I'm gonna talk about. Let's see. Super coffee. White chocolate peppermint. Yum. You know, it's funny, I was just telling Ed the other day, every year I used to always get at one of those coffee shops the white chocolate mocha, but I don't do that anymore because it's just loaded with sugar. So now I've got, let me see, 2 grams. So now I've got my super coffee, white chocolate peppermint, 2 net carbs. Right? That's awesome. Oh, I can't drink, 70 calories per bottle. That's not bad either. All right, up next, what is this? Hungry Buddha Keto Bar. This is a chocolate chip bar you can carry in your purse or in your backpack or your pocket or your bag or your car or whatever. And if you're hungry and you're out and about, it's a great snack. 4 net carbs. So what is this? Crispy Cuts pork rinds, island barbecue recipe. 1 carb per serving, airy puffs. And they're all natural. So I guess this is similar to pork rinds, which make a great snack. What I like to do with pork rinds though is I like to use it as a breading. I smash it up. Sometimes I add extra seasoning, sometimes not. And then I make either an egg batter or a mayonnaise batter or a mustard. And I coat my chicken, my beef, my pork, and I dredge it in this and air fry it. It's really good. All right, look at it. Look at all this stuff. All right, what's this? Ooh. Curly Girls Candy Hemp Brittle. Never had this. Hemp brittle. So I guess it's like peanut brittle, but with no sugar. And what are the carbs on this? Let me see. Carbs, my eyes. 4, 7, 3 net carbs. Not bad. That's Avi over there. Ignore him. The boy's about to be 20 years old, so I think he gets confused a little bit, and he'll yell for us to, you know, where we are. All right, crunchy cheese Mediterranean mix by Nourishing Intact Snacks. Ooh, Mediterranean. That looks good, right? So you can snack on these, or I like to use these type of little crunchies with flavors as croutons, since I don't eat croutons anymore in my Caesar salad or even my chef salad. So that's nice. And what is this? Ratio keto friendly lemon almond crunchy bar with 2 net carbs. It's 1 piece. This looks really good. It's kind of like a granola bar, I guess. It's got lots of nuts in it. I see almonds. I see pepitas, I think. Pumpkin seeds. Coconut oil, that's good. Ginger, yum. Yep. Almond, coconut. That sounds great. That sounds really wonderful. All right, so now we have beef jerky. Carne seca limon con chili. Limon con chili. It's natural beef jerky. Yum. We love beef jerky here. What's the carbs on this? 0 carbs. Wow. You know, I keep trying to find beef jerky, and most of them have like 5 carbs. Some have 3 carbs, which isn't a lot, but I'd rather have no carbs, because usually in those types of jerkies that you buy, they have sugar is with the carbs, so I don't like that. Now Pooey's joining in. Oh, Pooey's right here below my feet. Hello, Pooey. Pooey's my youngest cat. She's very, very tiny. All right, what's this? Oh, now this is funny. I just mentioned croutons. I can't eat croutons. Guess what I've got here? Protein croutons and Parmesan herb. That's perfect. Ed, I think we're going to have a Caesar salad tonight. Okay? Can you make me Caesar salad and use these croutons?
No.
Come on.
Maybe.
So this will be perfect for a Caesar salad. 60 calories and 2 net carbs for the whole package, and there's a lot in here. I'm sure we could share this and it'd be 1 net carb. Let me feel them. Oh yeah, they're the shape of croutons. What is next? Beef and veggie strip made with organic vegetables and 100% grass-fed beef. So it's just like a meat snack stick vegetable. That's interesting. I've never actually had one of these. So that looks pretty good. So far, so good. This is a good month. My last month was great. They had raspberry cakes in it. You get 2 cakes. Oh my God, you just open it up and the smell is so good. Oh, Be Still My Heart. I love Pop-Tarts. I could eat them by the box full, and I probably have done that. Nah, not really. Maybe a little. Years ago. Anyway, strawberry tasty pastry. So you can put this in your toaster, and it's hopefully tastes like a Pop-Tart, but let's see what the carbs are. But the carbs are 8 and 7, 4 carbs. Not bad, 4 net carbs.
I called dibs on the Pop-Tart.
You want it? Catch. Here you go. It's yours. See, and I love them. So, all right. So now we have what's called a Fat Bar Chocolate Bites, and there's 2 of them in it. 3 net carbs. This looks good. There's 2 pieces, so you can eat a piece now and eat a piece later, eat the whole thing, or even share it. Fat Bar. Non-GMO. Carbs in that. Carbs in this. What is that? You know what? I can't see it. 9, 12, 3. 3. Not bad. And lastly, we have Zesty Ranch Crunchy Cheese Mix. So these are like those, you know, just regular cheese snacks, but they have a zesty flavor to them. So these are great to carry in your bag or in your car and eat it on the go. You can also use these as croutons as well. Pretty nifty.
Are there almonds in that? It looks like almonds on the...
I know, it looks like almonds. I don't know why. You know what? I bet you it's made with almond flour. Let me see. Almonds. Almonds, Monterey Jack cheese with peppers, milk, jalapeno peppers, or pasteurized milk, bell peppers, cheese, culture, 160 calories for the package, and the carbs are 2 net carbs. It says bold flavor, exciting crunch. Yay, you're gonna be excited when you eat those. Silly, silly, silly.
Yay.
Yay, from the peanut gallery. All right, so, and commit to a no shame November. Check out the holiday stuffing. We've already done that. Turkey tips. This is great. So when you join, there's a website, I think I already mentioned that, where you can go and get extra savings and stuff. So again, if you need to cancel for a month, go ahead and cancel it. Somebody's at my house. I just heard that. Or driving by, not at my house. Anyway, so as I said, I'm going to post my link so that you can get $10 off your box. And if you forget my link or whatever, remember, TOGOFF, TOGOFF, and get $10 off. So I hope you try KetoKrate, and do me a favor, if you get it, let me know, and let me know what you think of the products. You've got a bunch of products here, so if you like one of the products, go buy yourself a bigger amount. If you don't like one product, it's only one product that you don't like, so that's not bad. I think I need to refrigerate this and get a sip of white chocolate peppermint coffee. Yum, yum, yum. All right, everyone, bye-bye. I will see you next time when the December KetoKrate comes out. Thanks for watching, and please give me a thumbs up, whether on YouTube or Facebook. Thumbs up, and I'll have all the information in the comment section so you don't forget. See ya! Special kisses, special butterfly kisses to Junie Moon. Bye.